Hello everybody, and welcome to Happy Wheels. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some Happy Wheels for you guys. So let's get started. Oh, that'd be nice. Oh, there we go. Ball throw. Void by the Prehistoric Man 123. If you like this level, then please rate. P.S. Toby is the best. Keep up the good work. Okay, we got this. Up. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try it again. Nope, balls. Knock it off. Oh, then grab the. Okay. Up. Okay. Oh. Thought I was done. Okay. Oh no. God, it's so hard for me to grab a ball. What the? Okay, ready, go. Son of a. You know what? I don't care. Impossible. By Jesus. Dodge the bombs, arrows, and harpoons. Let's be, oh, hey guys. How's it going? Oh, God. Oh, God. My leg. Oh, backflips. Did I do it? Nope. Did I do it? Whee! Look at all these backflips. Okay. I guess we're done there. Neon Rope Swing by We Are Triple X Actors. Colombia. Oh. Okay. No. Nope. Okay. Nope. Nope. Wrong way. Okay. Nope. Why is this so difficult? Oh my God. I could have had it. Nope. This time. Okay. Got it. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Got it. Okay. Whee. Whee. Ooh. Come on, come on. Ooh. No. So close. Okay. Dang it. You know what? The Minecur by Fat Cat at Home. Try to survive is possible. Hello, Dan. Oh. How am I supposed to? What? Okay, yeah, let's. No, I'm not even gonna try. Want to play a game by Infamous Nick 4C. The aim of the game is simple. Get to the finish, but yeah, blah 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 blah. Hey Dan, I don't know. Oh, God, Dan, it's better with you. Oh, don't make me come back there, son, I swear. Finally. Oh, that was easy enough. Revenge Sword Throw. Revenge Sword Throw by Pineapple 61. Payback time. Oh. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. Oh, that sucked. Oh, oh, oh. What ya? Oh. Oh my God. Whatcha? Okay, let's retry that. Whatcha? Oh jeez. Oh, very nice, very nice. Whatcha? Oh, very nice, very nice. Whatcha? Oh, not very nice, very nice. Arm Wrestling by Good Dude 12435. You have got into the final for Air Wrestling Show. The other man what you can show the other man what you can do. Oh! I just like exploded. What the heck? Oh god, that's funny right there. Whee! Oh! I got you by your dick. I got you by your dick. Oh, you like this? And that's how we do it. Calm Down and Kill by the Snowy Master. Hey guys, Snowy here. This is, welcome to my first level. In this, you can just relax and kill anybody and everybody and have fun. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love a good killing in the morning. Oh, well, it's nighttime. I love a good killing at night. Woo! Oh. Sorry, I didn't turn up the sound. Oh, very nice, very nice. Whoa, it's like a bloodbath. Jeez, so laggy. Oh, okay, that didn't work. Oh. Yeah, okay, let's... Easy Demo by Dudu123454. Please, it's easy, but only just a demo. Whee! Santa Claus! Oh, why didn't that work? Whee! Oh, what the heck? What happened to my body? Oh, God. What am I supposed to do? Okay, I think that's it, but oh well. Collect the Coins by Emoria Aang. It's easy. Oh god. Oh god. How do I go? Oh god. I just want to go. Well, obviously, I'm not very good. Whoa! Oh, safety powers! Okay, that wasn't Santa Claus, but anyway, let's do this again. Oh! I don't even need to beat that level. Easy. Okay. XO5 Level 01 Training. By Freeride23. Spaced, fly, shift, shoot. Remember to rate and have fun. I will have fun. Thank you. Let's go with... no, we'll go with Segway. Holy crap. Whee! Up. Oh! Oh. Let's retry that. Oh, excuse me. Wee! Wee! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Don't die. Good job. Oh my god! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh my god! What the? How does some? I don't even want to know. Oh god! 99.9999% impossible. By Detective Shinnikin. Sorry if I said that wrong. No comment. Why no comment? Whatcha? Ooh. Whatcha? Ah. Let's retry that. Whatcha? Oh. Come on, I got this. Whatcha? Okay. No, I don't. Going in. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, I got this. Suicide. 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 Okay. I'm just gonna sit there for a while then. Write a Line Full by Tony Collins 78. Turn on the sound for the effects. I ran out of time, so I made extend in the future depending on your reaction. This is an extended version, blah 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 blah. Ooh! Oh, didn't expect that. On the red line is what it seems. There are hidden traps. Oh. Whee! Oh crap. Well, that didn't work out. There we go. Good job. Oh, what the heck? How am I supposed to dodge that? Boom! Boom! Come on! Oh my god, I suck! Blasts. Oh, I did. No! Nope. We got this. I'm gonna beat this. What? Oh! That isn't very enough. What? Oh my god, I thought I was totally dead. Why is there a unicorn? Oh, don't tell me I'm dead. Oh! Well, that didn't work out. Okay, let's just skip that level. Minefield. Level 1 easy. Tobuscus by Tobuscus fan 1324. Level 2 coming soon. Yay! Lol. Wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whatcha? Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Dang it. Blasts. Oh. Okay. Woo. Up. Oh, okay. Oh, what the heck? No, my Pogo left me. Ninja by Ice is amazing. Lol. Liam. Oh yeah, pelvic thrust in the air. Oh, and I miss apparently. So, restart. Oh, pelvic thrust in the air. Oh, the air is so nice in Russia. Oh yeah. Oh, apparently we just kill babies and stuff. Okay, that was easy. Boom. By Gibby Pastrami. Careful. And my head is gone. I'm gonna go right. Oh, I was trying to go right. Dolphin it. Or seal. Oh, okay. No, there we go. Okay. Let's just go. Woo. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, baby. Oh! That's not right. Okay. Cool vehicle by Pack. Drive with nitro. Fly with jet. Oh, that's awesome. Then if I want to drive, I can just go whee. Oh. No, don't slow down. And I'm going back. Whee. Whee. Oh, let's see if I can make it. Can I make it? Whee. Oh, guess not. I'm gonna car this. But we're gonna take it nice and slow. Oh God, don't kill yourself. Yes! Good job. Gravity Simulation by Jason Boyles 32199. Please wait if Tobuscus comes around this, please play. Enjoy. Boop. It's PM. So I am Russian. Let's do this. Ouchie, 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 ouchie. Oh, what the heck? Go. Oh, God. Oh, I can't move. Oh, I am Russian. Don't get to work. I am Russian. Okay, let's change character. Oh, I'm on the Sandy. Keep going. Keep doing as I command. Whoa, Santa Claus is like freaking out. Go! 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 Don't give up on me! Don't give up! Obviously that is not working, and that is really annoying. Okay. I don't even know what that says. 32. So I'm gonna go with Coffeewis 3223. By Coffeewis 3232. Second again. Hey guys, I'm Russian. Okay. Okay. Up. That didn't work. That didn't work. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that didn't work either. What am I supposed to do? Okay, let's just skip that one. The Ultimate Gladiator by Beast Rainbows. You think you have to think fast at the start and find a way to knock your opponents off the stadium. Oh, what? That was bullcrap. What the hell? Ah! Up! That didn't work! It didn't work! Oh! Oh, I like where my face is. Yeah! Let's do that one again. Whew. What's up? Fight for the sword! Fight for the sword! Fight for the sword! Suck it! Oh, crap. Up. Once more. Okay, ready? Oh. Up. Okay, once more. Oh. Fight for the sword! Fight for the sword! Okay. Nope, you're coming with me! Oh, he stabbed right in my head! Yes! I'm gonna have to end it here, folks. If you liked, please leave a like and rate, comment, maybe share it if you want. Just, you know what, just do whatever you want. I will see you all later. Good day.